everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video you will see some wonderful and amazing kitchen and home organization ideas. I always try to bring some new and unique ideas. All ideas are very innovative. You can take the screenshot of the picture that you like most. I hope you are enjoying the video. If you are enjoying the video, then leave a beautiful comment to encourage me. And also let me know from which country you are watching my channel so that I can send you the special greetings in my next video. Alright viewers, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. See you again in the next video with more wonderful ideas. So till then, bye bye.